In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SMI Ergodic indicators in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click, what to search for, and how to manage the indicator on your chart, so you can start using it confidently in your own analysis. First, make sure you're logged in to your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. On your chart screen, look toward the top of the interface for the Indicators button. This is usually near the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where TradingView keeps all of its built-in tools and community scripts. Once the Indicators window pops up, you'll see several categories along the top or left side. Look for the section labeled Technical. This is where TradingView groups indicators that are focused on technical analysis, like moving averages, oscillators, and of course, the SMI Ergodic indicator. Click on Technical to make sure you're in the right place. Inside the Technical section, you'll see a search bar. This is the fastest way to find exactly what you're looking for, instead of scrolling through a long list. Click on the search bar so it's active and ready for typing. Now type SMI Ergodic into the search bar. As you type, TradingView will filter the list of indicators in real time. When you see SMI Ergodic appear in the results, that's the one we want. Click on it once and TradingView will automatically add it to your chart, usually in a separate panel below the price. After the indicator is on your chart, you'll notice a small gear icon or settings icon next to its name, either on the left side of the indicator panel or in the chart legend. Click on this settings icon to open up the SMI Ergodic settings. Here you can adjust things like lengths, smoothing, colors, and line styles. Take a moment to customize it so it's easy for you to read. Clear colors and thicker lines can really help when you're monitoring multiple indicators at once. If at any point you decide you don't want the SMI Ergodic on your chart, or you just want to clean things up, you can remove it with a couple of clicks. Open the same settings or options menu next to the indicator's name and select Remove. The panel will disappear and your chart will go back to its previous layout. Finally, if you're not already using TradingView Pro and you'd like to unlock the full experience for indicators like this, check out the sign-up link in the video description. That's where you can get started and follow along with all of my future tutorials.